Good morning, everybody. My name is Bill. This is Rust to Resurrection. I was so encouraged by the responses that I got to my video about what Rust might look like in the future, and responses to the questionnaire that I had sent out, or the poll that I'd sent out on the community page, that I felt encouraged that this channel had some life in it, that we might be able to make something of it. So this morning, what I want to do is I want to remake the the banner on the top of the page, the YouTube page. It's the original banner that I put up when I first started the page almost 2 years ago, or the channel almost 2 years ago, and I want to remake that. We've got a really nice morning sun here, and I want to go back to the same film location that I used for that original banner, but this time I want to put both Jeeps in the picture, and I want to do it here. And one of the things about here is the stone wall. The stone wall and the trees and that backdrop with the field in the background, excuse me, I think is a really stunning backdrop. At least I think it's a nice backdrop. So I want to get the two Jeeps lined up in this area right in here, and we'll be taking that picture back in this location here. So my hope is that we get not only the Jeeps, but we can see some of that stone wall in the background. I'm from a very rural area here in New Hampshire, and this is sort of born and raised, and hardwoods, pine trees, stone walls, and old pastures is what I know and what I've grown up with, and I think it accurately represents the Jeeping culture, if you will, especially these old flat fender Jeeps. Anyway, so this is today's project. I do want to get that picture taken right here while that sun is pretty low. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you along as I do the photos. So what I need to do is get both Jeeps up and running, get them down here, get them staged, and this will be the first time ever that the two Jeeps will be in the same location running. This is going to be cool just by virtue of that alone. Let's get those Jeeps set up. Yeah, they all smoke. All right, it's a little later in the morning than I wanted it to be. We're gonna have to play with the light and the shadows here a little bit. Old Gray back here didn't want to start. It gave me a little bit of trouble. Reason is that Bones lives in a heated garage and Gray lives in a non-heated garage. So we had temperatures down around 31, 32 last night. So it was cold. I did have to charge the battery up just a little bit so that it would spin over fast enough so that it would finally start. And it started. We've got it here. All right, let's go set this thing up. Let's get the cameras going so we can take this photograph. All right, guys, the channel's definitely here to stay. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it's something you think somebody else would enjoy, please share it with them. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to go to the home page of the channel and check out the new banner. Hey, love you guys. Thanks for being here, and I will see you in the next video.